How to see old Google Maps Street View on your phone. It works on both Android and iPhone. So what you want to do, you want to click anywhere on the Google Maps. But the thing is, you can choose the place like restaurant. What you want to choose is the road or the street. And then you want to long press it. And after that, you want to click this photo right here at the left with the arrow, circle. And there you go. You can just slide it to the left or the right. And on this 2868 Brickton Street, below that is 4 months ago, you can click on the see more dates. And then you can choose the dates that it have. For example, it have on this 2012. And this is the street in 2012. And you can also travel it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.